Hello everyone. Now I can show you how looks like my old new CNC lathe before painting. The model is Takisawa TS20. Machine capabilities is 1 meter between centers. And machine has a Fanuc 10T control. Machine have how it calls fapt control. Okay. Now how everything looks like before painting. Actually before priming and then painting. I use primer with how to say zinc phosphate, if I call it right. It should stop rusting, and so for paint I using automotive two component paint, and I think everything should look perfect after the painting. I can move everything around. I took out the doors because this doors easy to take out. In these doors are two servo amps, so it not easy to take out. So I left the doors in. I paint. I think this there maybe manually. Everything I spray with a spraying gun. There is not enough space to move back because there are wall. There is wall, and I can back enough. So I take time to cover everything as best I can, and